Did I just buy a tractor and a truck for Rajaveer? Keep on watching. Good morning, guys. We are. God bless you. We are off on a trip to Jeend. Hi, this is RGB. If you haven't subscribed already, subscribe already. We are going to another Mundan ceremony in Jeend. This time it's my husband's mama's pota. So basically another one of Aravi's cousin. And we're doing an all-girls trip this time. Except we have, like, this is the only guy in the trip, so that. Got up at 6 today, which is an unholy hour. I do not understand why anybody would get up at 6. Yes. So we have been joined by Mosi and my sister-in-law and another Mosi. We are right now at Rohtak and there's this famous Tapasya Paratha wala person restaurant basically which serves 1 kg का पराठा and उसका क्या है? अगर एक पूरा खा गया, finish 3. If you eat 3 of them, then you get like you have like you get free parathas for a year. But I think if you finish 3 kgs of parathas, you should get parathas free for like forever. We have now reached Jeend and there is this very interesting mandir here that is inside a pond. Muteshwar Mandir. That is the mandir and it's inside the lake.
बहुत बड़ा किला था उसका।
अब किला का कोई भी पार्ट नहीं,
अब कोई पार्ट नहीं।
I have found a full-length mirror finally. I am wearing the sari from Greenwear. Yes. It's one from my bridal collection, Aravi. Yes. And yeah, this is what I am wearing. He is wearing this kurta from my boss.
ये काका चाची का प्लॉट था।
अच्छा, ये इसका घर था पहले? अच्छा।
ये रमेश चाचा जी का।
अच्छा। This is where my mother-in-law and all her sisters used to stay when they were kids. Like somewhere here. ये तो बहुत ही पास है दोनों का। Look, चूल्हा। We just had golgappe from this shop, Sharma Mishtan Bhandar. It was super duper yummy. The pani was really nice. I had 2 katoris of pani because it was so good. लीफ है। डन। क्या है ये? लीफ। Leaf. We found these leaves which are very very interesting. I think they're burned out by the sun or something because. अरे भी दिखाओ सबको. Look at how like. Try and find another. वो मम्मा को दिखाने दो ना. Look at how it's burnt. I don't know, it's burned out or wait, it might have been eaten away by something. Not a good idea. अरे भी नीचे नहीं बेटा. यहाँ कैसे चलोगे? यहाँ कांटे हैं, यहाँ नहीं चल सकते. This is Satya. Basically, like we went to Shakumji Devi. If you watched that vlog, to get our mundan done, this is where my mother-in-law's side of Kul Devi is. Basically, it's in between like farmland. It is so cool, so cool. Extremely lovely place. It's super sunny, but it's super windy as well. So a really nice space. It's like a little picnic with all the family and everything. It's really cool. We've just come back to the car. We needed some water. I didn't think that the water, I mean the water is pretty clean enough otherwise also, but I thought we just needed a little alone time for a second. So we came back to the car and we're drinking some water. Yes, we're drinking Papiro. A Papiro. Ye Papiro. So these are the farmlands all around. That's where we're having a little picnic. Those three are the satis that are here. The four of them. Wait, why is everybody telling me there are three satis? There are four. I don't know. Anyways, that's where everybody's having their little picnic. We just had lunch and I think we're about to leave as well. Look at how amazing these toys are. Little tractors and like trucks and tractors. Look at this. How amazing is this? That's a tractor, that's a truck. I got those toys from a little shop on the Hooda City Park road, and the guy says he hand makes them all, and I honestly haven't seen such kind of toys anywhere available online or offline in Delhi, so I was like really excited. I'll show you guys close-up shots once we go back home, but they were like so super nice. There was also one that was life size, like the tractor was like life size in the sense that it was in the size of a kid, so for a baby, so we can sit on it and kind of, I know, get an experience of sitting on a tractor. But he already has a lot of cars and toys like those, so I didn't really buy that, but it was kind of exciting to see. So if you are by any chance in Rohtak near the Hooda City Park road, then try and get it for your baby because it's actually a really good buy. Please excuse the messy room because we had to get ready really fast. We're running really late, but I want to just quickly show you my outfit number 2 of the day. I'm wearing this nice pink silk sari with a statement necklace, some chudiya, and yeah, this, you can see the full hair. Rest I'll show you once I reach the venue. I'm late. Trump said the elephant, huh? Elephant कैसे करते? Trump, Trump. Elephant कैसे करते? Trump, Trump. नहीं, कहाँ गया आपका टॉय? कहाँ है? मम्मा को दो, शैतानी कर रहे हो? कहाँ है? दो, तुम्हारे हाथ में मुझे दिख रहा है. दो. नहीं, दे दो. ये रहा. हाहा, मिल गया. Elephant. Thank you. What does the elephant say? Trumpety Trump. says the elephant. Trumpety trump, says the elephant. Yes? You can. नहीं. छुपा मत, शैतानी कर रहे हो आप. गया, it's gone. Where is it? Where is it? No. Oh यार, दिख गया मम्मा को. दे दो. मम्मा को दे दो. Thank you. Right now it's 1:30 right now, although normally we are awake till 1:30 and I'm perfectly fine, but I woke up at like 6 today, and last night also we hardly slept because Aravi kept waking up. Last night I think I hardly slept like 3-4 hours. We've been traveling so much today. I'm a little too tired. I'm gonna go and sleep. I hope you enjoyed this vlog. If you did, then please make sure to give it a big thumbs up and click that subscribe button. I'll see you guys soon. I'm so tired right now. Bye. Alright, these are the toys that I bought. This is actually the next time I'm going to insert this clip in the middle of the vlog. I forgot to show it. That is the tractor and trolley, and it works, which is so amazing. The finish is a little not too good, so I'm really not sure if I want to like give this for to Aravi to play with, or even if I do give it to him, I have to be really careful because it's not sharp, but you never know, right? But I think this will look so cool as showpieces. It's like such an Indian thing. The other thing is this truck that I got. It even has like a driver. It has a large dabba piche. I think, you know, if I don't give this to Aravi to play with, because I see there are a few keels that are exposed. This is also a really good size to keep cutlery in. Like on the table, if you want to keep cutlery, this is such a good size for that. It also has a little okay tata use dipper at night at the end. Fun fact, I used to think like when I was a kid, I didn't know it was dipper. I just thought they misspelled diaper, and I would get so confused. Why are the truck people telling everybody to use diapers at night? That's so strange. So yeah, those are the two things that I got. Alright, this is what I've done with it. The trolley is still okay, but I think the truck Yeah, I think this looks nice. What are your comments? I might get new flowers for this because these are the old ones that I'm using, but it does look nice.